as at Goodwill, a different one. And we've got a BRK 4919, or I really should say I got two of them. There's two of them on the shelf. This one's already open. The other one's sealed. Got a typical BRK harness. Manual. And unit itself. Now this is hardwired with no battery backup. Replaced detector by the year 2005. My guess would be like 1995. Replace every 10 years. So I can't test this because this is hardwired only, and I don't have my hardwire cord set up. So yeah. Box. Open the second one, I guess. If I could. Try this side. Hold on. There we go. Why would they... Alarm, harness, manual, box. So, yeah. Pretty nice units. Got two of them so I could interconnect them and test them. Replaced by the year 2005 on this one also.